Hello, welcome to my channel, Guys to Everything. Guys to Everything is a video channel which you have visited. We're going to teach you today on how you can get rewards and even get latest iPhone 15 free of charge without doing much thing, without doing anything. You can also get some earnings by visiting a link we're going to show you in this video. All you have to do is just go to the description box in this video and see a link there. Click on the link. It will take you to where you can just get this reward. All you have to do to get this reward is for you to accumulate daily points with each completed task and exchange them for various prizes. It could be you can exchange for iPhone, which they will send to you wherever you are located in the world. So what are you waiting for? Just go straight to the description box, click on the link, sign up, and you'll be amazed that this iPhone will be sent to you, and you get it delivered to you via courier, and you get it wherever you are located. And also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, Guys to Everything, and also use the comment box below to make your comments, and subscribe and share the video with your friends, family and friends, for them also to get their own iPhone 15, which is the latest version or latest model of iPhone 15. You will be happy that you visited this particular channel today, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. All you have to do is just go to the description box where you have the description, open the description, you see a link there, click on the link to take you to where you sign up. Once you sign up, complete one or two tasks there, you exchange your points for this iPhone 15, which is the latest version of iPhone 15. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with your family and friends. Thanks for visiting us. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the description box, the bell button, click on it so that whenever we upload such kind of video, you get a notification or an alert. See you in the next video. God bless you. Bye.